Hello everyone, in today's video we're going to be looking at how to actually build a full-time income simply flipping tickets. So without further ado, let's get right into it. If you don't know by now, all we do is we make money by buying and listing tickets for profit. So these kinds of tickets are mostly concerts, but sometimes we'll do some theater and sports as well. But we lean towards mostly the concerts just because, a particular artist will only be in a certain location for 1 or 2 nights, whereas these sports seasons can last dozens of games. So that's why we're seeing more profits with the concerts. So let's take a look at some testimonials recently. We have Chad, and he said, "Can't wait to get my cousin involved. She's going to love this. I'm already up $3,046, and I literally joined about a month and a half ago. Thanks much." Chad's making a killing. You can see him posting in the forum some of his results. He's doing very well, so I want to give a big round of applause for Chad. He's doing great. And then someone that joined, I think rather recently, this was Brenda. She wrote, "Yes, Bobby." I suppose this was replying to a friend of hers. "Yes, Bobby, I would recommend this. Just the other day, I bought a pair of $24 tickets and sold them for $65 each. It works. I'll send you a message." So yeah, what Brenda referred to is the cheaper tickets, obviously. What's great about the business is that you can always start very, very small and then just work your way up over time. Some people think you need like, $20,000 to do this business. That's just not the case. You can always start with just some cheap pairs of tickets. You can even start with one ticket. We've seen some great success with people just buying one cheap ticket and maybe not a larger profit as if you were going for a pair, but still the single tickets can be profitable as well. So you can start very small and then just scale up over time. So our program will actually train you and alert you on exactly which events will be profitable. So our step-by-step video library in your members area will show you how to do this business from scratch, even if you've never made money online before. And that's what's so great. This is newbie friendly. Personally, I've been in many, many things before, and this is something that I really had no idea about. I didn't really know much about the entertainment industry or, which artists are hot and which ones will be profitable and which ones are not. So the program really takes someone who's never ever seen anything like this, even if they don't know how to barely use a computer or phone, and do this business from absolute scratch, A to Z, great over-the-shoulder visual. And the videos will even show you how to find and evaluate additional events. Most members just follow the alerts, which I'll get into in just a second. But the videos will even show you, if you want to take it to that next level and you want to start buying more and more tickets, maybe you won't get there right away, but maybe a little bit later on, you will want to do that. The videos will also show you how to go out and find other events to buy and list for. And the alerts will tell you exactly which locations, artists, and venues to go for. All this analysis and heavy research, it's all done for you. So we have a team of expert ticket brokers who are actually doing all this research on these alerts for us. They're looking at things like the income in the area. They're looking at every venue, the past tours, many different factors that would probably take you hours and hours a day to research. They're doing this all for you with our alerts, so that's why our alerts are so popular. So that's pretty much it, just kind of a basic overview. And if you want to learn more, you can go ahead and click that link down below, ticketflippinghub.com, so you can actually check out what we do and what the services we offer are. So I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you got something out of it. Thank you very much. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, all that, and take care. Bye-bye.